What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Just out here enjoying this beautiful day. Enjoying this nice stick. That's an Aladino elegans. Family, I took part in a live the other night, and the question arose as to what was companion planting. What is companion planting? So I thought I would kind of address that. Simply put, companion planting is when you plant two or more plants in close proximity to each other for the benefit of one or more of those plants, basically. So the benefit can come from deterring insects or attracting certain insects, certain beneficial insects, that is. I have a couple examples of companion planting in my garden. I'd like to show you. I have planted here like yellow squash. And I have marigolds planted. Of course, the marigolds bring in those pollinators, those beneficial insects, such as butterflies, bees, etc. So I have marigolds and flowers planted all throughout my garden, along with my vegetables or whatever other crops that I may be growing. This year I've sowed a lot of seeds in my garden. I have several raised beds throughout my property, and I've sowed many seeds, and of course it's early spring and a lot of that stuff hadn't come up yet. But in one of those raised beds I have planted beans, I have planted squash, and I have planted corn. And the benefit of planting those three crops together is the squash, of course, grows low to the ground, and it kind of helps lock in the moisture in your garden. Kind of helps keep the moisture in your garden. Of course, the beans use the corn to trellis up. Of course, the corn grows vertically, and the beans, use that corn to trellis up. So there's many benefits to practicing companion planting. I would encourage you to do so, and I'm positive you would not be disappointed. But of course, the vegetables and the flowers are not the only thing that need a companion in the garden. Oh no, the vegetables and the flowers are not the only thing that need a companion in the garden. So what do I have here? That's that Black Aces Pro Series Bull Pup. Chamberlain 12 gauge, y'all. Of course, it's mag fed. Had a mag pull, flip up sights. Check it out, y'all. Check it out. Woo! Vertical foregrip. Look at that. That's a beautiful weapon, y'all. That's a beautiful weapon. Check it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's about all I have for you today, family. I appreciate all the support, y'all. Want you to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Black Guns and Gardens out. 1.